What's up, everybody? Welcome to the fucking chest and back day. We're not gonna be doing a whole lot of movements today. Probably just do a couple. We'll do incline chest, do some cable work, definitely decline, and probably do some chest flies as well. And then for back, probably do some pull downs or some rows of some kind. But yeah, that'll be the majority of it. I'll probably throw in a little shoulders too, just to get a couple more sets in for the week. But yeah. Solid ass weight.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate it.
If you want to wipe your head, wipe it on the clean towel, not the nose on the ground, please.
He wants to be He hurts me. It hasn't changed. He dropped down 20 pounds from
help you, big bro. I was gonna help you, big bro.
Holy shit, what a great workout. What a fantastic fucking workout. That was absolutely phenomenal. That was great. I love that. I loved every second of that. I was listening to fucking Deftones the whole time. Oh my goodness, oh my damn, oh my goodness. I went fucking ham. Yeah, that shit was fire. Good ass day today too. Damn, I should have filmed a fucking day in the life. Shit! Shit! It's okay. We'll get him next time, Tiger. Fuck. Why didn't I film a day in the life? It would have been a perfect day for that. But yeah, last night we went to a like a little Halloween party, and yeah, I stayed the night with my boy, and then pause. Yeah, we cuddled and watched Smack DVD. Yeah, I got up in the morning. I didn't eat. I was fasted till like 1 p.m. So yeah, I was fasted till like 1 p.m. just because I didn't have really any food with me. So I was at my boy's house, and then I went to my mom's and said what's up to my mama, and yeah, went back. Or wait. No, I went to Trader Joe's before I went to my mom's. I went to Trader Joe's, went to Costco, got some groceries, just got some egg whites and shit like that, and then yeah, looking leaner by the day. Definitely telling certain spots, especially, you know, last time I was on my cut, I could just tell because my veins were becoming way more apparent than they usually were. So that's one thing I see right off the bat is, yeah, I'm definitely looking leaner. And yeah, I had like a cheat snack today, I guess you could say. I had like, gosh, what was it? Oh shit, why can I not remember? What did I have? Never mind. I thought I had a cheat meal today. I didn't even have a cheat meal. Huh. Anyways, yeah. And then I got home, I got ready for the gym, and then Kobe was like, dude, I can't come, I'm grounded. And I was like, alright, you're a fucking loser, I'm gonna go without you. And then he's like, bro, please don't hit chest. And I was like, dude, how the fuck are you gonna tell me that you're grounded and you can't go to the gym, so I cannot hit chest without you? The logic isn't logicking, man. Like, it's not. But anyways, great fucking lift. Great fucking lift. Without Kobe. I'm just kidding, Kobe. I'm just kidding, Tiger. You know I love you. You know I fucking love you, and I love lifting with you. Because you're just the little jokester, and you like making jokes and shit and fucking around. But, as you guys can see, I had my mic on the entire time that I was filming, and I did not say a single word. You can go back if you want to see, but I'm sure you remember me not saying anything. So, yeah. But I do like workouts like that because, you know, it gets me back in that mind state where it's like, or that mindset where I'm like, okay, let's fucking lock in and get this shit done. Because, like, yes, when I work out with Kobe, like, yes, I lock in and I can get it done, but it does take longer because, you know, in between, there's the little distractions, there's the little stupid things that we do, so that can fuck with your pump, honestly, and it can fuck with the lift. But usually it doesn't fuck with my lift too bad. I mean, some days it does, but that's only if I let it get to me, so I just have to not let it get to me. But, you know, it's hard when you have a 15-year-old running around you and saying stupid shit. But hey, I was that age once too. Alright, I'm being a cornball, sorry. What do you guys do for Halloween? What was everyone's costume? I was going to do a Halloween vlog, and we were gonna go to the gym, me and Kobe, and we were gonna be minions, but Kobe ditched me and went with his girlfriend, so, and I didn't want to be solo. I mean, that honestly would have been funny as fuck. If I was dressed solo in a minion costume, like just picture me in a minion costume, and then lifting by myself, no one else in the gym. Because there was literally not a lot of people there at the gym that day. Like, you guys saw the video. You saw the video of the spooky pump, so yeah, it wasn't just wasn't ideal for the situation, but you know, okay, we still got that lifted. I wish it wasn't raining in Idaho. I wish it wasn't raining in Boise because I could be hiking Table Rock right now. Honestly, I should hike Table Rock. I should start going more often again because that was fun. I used to go to Table Rock like every weekend during the summer, like fucking like 6 weeks in a row, almost the whole summer. 6 weeks in a row, and then we took like a 1 week off, and then we went back again for like 3 weeks straight. So literally for 2 months we went to Table Rock. Shit's so fun. I love hiking. I love the outdoors. Love adventure. Like that shit's just so cool. Honestly, been thinking about moving lately too, just for the business side of it, and I kind of want a change of scenery. I want to meet new people, get new connections. Make new connections because that's a very important part, especially with what I'm doing right now with the YouTube thing and Snapchat and all that. I need to get more exposure. So I feel like it wouldn't be a bad idea, but just food for thought. I'm just thinking about it. Who knows though? I could be in a new state soon. But I'll see you guys inside because we are home. So I will see you guys inside. Hey, I hope you guys have had a fucking fantastic weekend so far. Well, I guess when this video is posted, you would have had a fantastic weekend. Anyways, hope you guys fucking enjoyed the lift today, because I know I enjoyed the lift. I wish Kobe could have joined me, but can't always work out in my favor, so, yeah. But, love you guys. And, tomorrow, I'm not sure what we're going to be hitting, but I'll figure it out. And then you guys will see another video. But I love you guys. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.